So hello guys, today we are going to see how market beast works and how we can make profit from it. So let's see what market beast look like. So we have two indicators of market beast. First one is this. We will give this to you. So before applying indicator, we will convert this candlestick to Hekanashi. So here we have Hekanashi candlesticks. This strategy works on this candlestick patterns. Second thing, we will see our time frame. So I would suggest you all to use lower time frame like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I have used 5 minutes mostly. So with 5-minute time frame, I have Ethereum USDT pair. So let's turn on our indicator. Here our indicator is, we have basically two indicator. Second one is for confirmation of trades. So we we will give both of these indicator to you. We have two indicator. All right. So this is how our setup look likes. How we will take trades, what should be our target, what should be our stop loss, what should be our entry, everything we will tell you in this course. So don't worry about anything, I will assign you some tasks as well for practice sessions. Here I have tested few trades yesterday. So let me show you these trades, how it works, where we have entered, and what's our risk reward is. So from here, yellow line, I have tested this strategy. Now for entry of long and short, we will have different conditions. Let's first see markets beast 2.0. So this beast 2.0 is our flow indicator. It will tell us where market is going to be. So here we can see a blue area, this blue area which is dark enough, and this pink area is light. It means market is bullish from around here. Why? Because blue area is very big here and this pink area is very light. So we can see the market is pumping from here. Alright. And from here we can see the blue area is decreasing and the pink area is getting dark here. This area. Let me zoom it. As you guys can see, this pink area is light here and from here it gets dark. So this should be our first thing what we should see while taking trade. Whenever we have this blue area dark and this area getting light, we will look for long entries. And whenever we see area like this, blue area getting less and pink area getting dark and large, we will look for short entries. Let's see some trades here. I have took first trade here. Right, sorry. So our first entry is short entry. Why? Because pink area is getting dark and bigger while blue area is small. Now let's see our upper indicator, which is our main indicator, market beast, in which we have few lines. Let me show you what these lines means. This pink area line means this is resistance area from where price will dump. This blue area means this is support area from where market will rise. What these two middle lines means, let me tell you. Our trigger area will be this yellow line, which is this curly yellow line. Whenever we will break this area, we will take long or short. When I say we will break area, it means we will have to close 2 candles above the yellow area to open a long position, and when we will close 2 candles below the yellow line, we will open short positions. But before that, we will always see these conditions, marketbeastt 2.0 condition, that pink area should be greater than blue area. When we will practice, we will know how to take trades, so don't worry about anything. Let's see how we took these entries. I took all of these in front of you. So let's see this trade here first. As you guys can see, let me select this area. Look at this. Look at this. Blue area is getting large, as you guys can see. Let me zoom it a little bit. Blue area is getting larger and pink area is getting decreasing like this. Second confirmation is this white line. What does this white line means? Now look at this white lines. Whenever we will have price candle above this white line, we will look for longs. Whenever we have price below this white line, we will look for shorts. So now here first our confirmation should be this marketbeastt 2.0. This is telling us that market is going to be bullish for next few candles. Blue area is getting large, pink area decreasing. Similarly, we have price above this white line, another confirmation for long, and our last confirmation should be this candle closes above this yellow line. This is first candle closes above second line, this yellow line, sorry, and this is second candle closes above yellow line. Here we will confirm this trade. Here we will take entry. Let me remove it first, then I will tell you again. First condition was blue area getting bigger, pink area decreasing. Second condition is this this white line is below the price action. Third thing is candle formed above this yellow line. So I am taking long position on this candle. And what should be our stop loss? Now let's talk about stop loss, take profit and entry. We will take entry whenever these conditions happen and price closes above the yellow line. Our confirmed entry will be when two green candles will be formed above this yellow line. But this is our triggered entry here. So our stop loss will be this last wicks. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. Our stop loss will be below these wicks, or you can set stop loss this white line. But sometimes we will have to see stop loss very carefully. I will teach you all those things in risk management class later on. For now, let's just see what should be our stop loss for now. We have longer wicks below our entry. We will set that as stop loss. And what should be our target? Our target will be risk reward. We are going with risk reward. RR, which is risk reward, 1:1.5. Alright, this seems good. Alright. So what we are looking for, risk reward 1:5. If we are losing 1% on any trade, then we should book our profit on 1:1.5. So I will set 1:1.5. Can you guys see the risk reward? What does risk reward means? This is risk reward. Risk reward ratio 1.5. So in all our trades we will use this risk reward 1:5, 1.5. So yes, here we took entry. After that our target hits successfully here, as you guys can see. Alright, let's move further. This was our not confirmed entry, by the way. Why? Because our confirmed entry will be this area. This is our ideal condition in which we will have more chances to win the trade. Look at this area now. Can you guys see this area? Look at this area. How perfect this area is. Blue area is very big, and look at this pink area getting light, and inside we have bullish white bars here. These white bars means we are bullish. These black bars are bearish sign. So we have blue area very dark and large, while we have pink area very close and light. So it's bullish confirmation. The second thing what we have to see here is this white line should be below our price, which is not confirmed here. So we will leave this trade here. We will I just closed it here. Why? Because this is not our entry point. I'll just cross it again to confirm you guys. This is not our entry point. Why? Because we have bullish confirmation here, but when we see this white line is above our price, then we will leave this trade. This is not our entry. We will go further. Going. We came here. We have same conditions here. Pink is lighter and above, while blue area is still large. It's still bullish condition for us. What we will see the next thing here, the white line. The white line is below the price. It means we are bullish. We have two confirmation of long entry. Let's see our third confirmation, which was this yellow line. Price should break this yellow line with this green bullish candle, or price should come to this yellow line and then again go up. So here we just close it here. So here we got confirmation everything is bullish on this candle. As you guys can see, we came back to yellow line. We have this green bullish candle. As you guys can see, we have this blue large area and pink is very light and small, which is bullish. And the third thing is this white line, which is telling us that we are bullish as well because price is moving above this white line. So here we will take long position after closing this green candle here. I'm applying this long candle here. What should be our stop loss? Our stop loss should be this white area, white line, or we can set stop loss below the last big wick. So here we have this candle. This is our stop loss. After setting up stop loss, we will set the target. Target should be according to 1:1.5. So here again we hit target successfully right after our entry. Look, these entries and these scalps are very quick, so you have to be quick while watching charts. So yes, let's see the next things here. I'm just removing it again from here so we can scalp on our own now. So here First we will look this beast 2.0. Blue area is getting reduced now, decreasing, and this pink area is getting dark and larger now, which is our bearish confirmation. You guys can see this. Check out this area. What we are seeing here is something bearish. Blue area is getting decreased and pink area is getting dark and larger. It's our bearish condition. We got our first bearish condition. Second condition should be this white line moving above the price action now. Here we were seeing that white area should be below the price for long position. Here we will see bearish condition where white line should be above our price, so it can work like resistance. So here white line is moving above the price. Our third condition will be this yellow line. This yellow line should be broke by big red candles. On our second candle we will take entry. So here first candle break this yellow line. This is second candle. Here after forming this second candle we will take entry. So let me take this short entry on this area, because after forming the second candle, here we take an entry of short. What should be our stop loss now? Our stop loss should be above this long wicks. We can see there are no wicks here, but there are wicks. So this is a big stop loss while scalping on lower time frames, which is 5.7. So I will suggest you here to stop loss should be around our this white line, and our take profit will be 1:1.5. This is our stop loss in this candle. We will work for 1:1.5. Risk reward done, and here we hit our targeted